The new State Farm Arena in downtown Atlanta, Georgia, underwent the second largest renovation in NBA history. Home of the National Basketball Association's Atlanta Hawks, the arena now features more than 12,000 square feet of Samsung Smart LED signage, offering 10 times more LED video than the previous arena configuration. The main center-hung video board is the NBA's first 360-degree continuous video screen. It's also the first arena bowl to feature HD-quality 6mm LED video display technology. Fans are immersed in stunning video displays no matter where they are seated in the bowl. The high-definition video enhances the in-game experience for Hawks fans and makes every fan feel like they're sitting in the first row with amazing views and clarity. The images, graphics, stats, and data will be clearer, easier to read, and guaranteed to look amazing. The animations come to life and create an entertaining, personalized experience for every fan, no matter where they're seated. Fans seated near the court will enjoy an even more enhanced experience, with 2 large displays inside the center-hung structure offering extra stats, replays, and in-game content. From the distinct design to the impressive size, the resolution and clarity of Samsung's smart LED displays by PrismView deliver an unrivaled 360-degree immersive experience.